Okay, yeah, this is the 4 hours time frame, right? Now, this is from my own, and I've seen your video now. It's cool. It's on the 30-minute time frame you sent. Now, this is what I should be expecting. Let me go from this place now. Okay, there is a zone here now. You should draw. There is a lowest place here where the market went to before dropping. You get. So this is almost the lowest zone where the market came before dropping. So what you should expect now from this market, since overall is a sell, so we should be looking for more of sell. Is either this market should come to this point, and now let me zoom the screen, and then go up to this level. Yeah, this is the latest. This one that just happened is just like a week. So this is the latest place, and go back here. Now we have first touch here, we have second touch, we are waiting for the third touch of this trend line, you understand? Then we enter for a sell to first TP here, then overall TP to this point here, you understand? So the trade would be something like this. Yeah, a short here at this point. Once it comes to this level here, the middle of that stuff, then our stop loss would be a little bit above that stuff. Then our first TP should be this level. You see, it's 1:6 already. Our overall should be to this level at the top. You understand? At the top, 1:8 risk to reward. You understand? So this is 4 hours time frame. Remember, 4 hours time frame. So if I should go into the 1 hour time frame here, this is how it looks like here. Yeah, this is how it looks like on the 1 hour time frame. But the market needs to respect this thing. So in case you see the market played around, then and later comes, it needs to respect this. Even if it does not hit at this trend line, at least it should come close to it, this level here, before falling. You understand? Before falling. So this is what there's another trend line coming here. You see this trend line here that is passing across here. So the market is either it breaks this level at once, you understand, because this trend line is strong. So the market might come to test this trend line with this zone here before going up, you understand. Then we should sell depending on this trend line. Then once it comes here, what you should be looking for is more of buy. Remember, this is the lowest point here. So it's coming back now to either test this level now. Buy, then the buy shouldn't be beyond the place you put your TP, you started entering the market from. You understand? Then if it should come to this zone, show you a good candlestick rejection, how would I put it, reaction, then you should go for a buy to this level again, this psychological level. Then your stop loss again a little bit below. This time around you should do it like this, give it space to breathe, a breathing space. Like this one is to fall, because this one already gave you what you were looking for. So this one is this thing. So if I should go to the 15-minute, I will see exactly what I'm saying here. So this is it. This is it. And now you see this kind of setup. This kind of setup takes time. It takes long time. So you might say today is what? Today is Wednesday. So this kind of setup takes very long time. It might even tomorrow you might even see this kind of setup happening tomorrow in the evening time. You understand? So this is what you said when you say you want at least, even if it's 1 or 2 trades in a day. So this kind of trade is something that that at least it happens once in a while and it takes time. Maybe I might still two set up in a week and it takes time before it happens. So if it takes time, then it means I'm trading only twice in a week. You understand? So this kind of trade now, if it's from this is 15 minutes, I don't trade based on all this small time frame. You understand? This small time frame, they just move faster and everything. So what I do is the same thing I trade off, like the same thing I used to see in this small time frame before I enter trade. Then I go to the bigger time frame, like 4 hours, 1 hour, to check if I will see that same thing. Then if I sit on this bigger time frame, then it means it is going to move very strong. It's going to move very well. You understand? So what? Let me zoom this one again. So this is what this 1 hour is telling me here. This is what the one hour is telling me. I'm seeing it off here. It came this place, it broke here. It did a week to tap this place before coming down. So since this trend line is here, and we had a first touch here, first touch was down from where it came, second touch. So third touch is not supposed to break instantly. So either this market comes back here, then shoot up to bounce here. You understand?
Yo, you see, it played out. 1:8 risk to reward killed. 4 hours time frame, yeah. 1:8 risk to reward killed. 1:8. Yo, we killing it, bro. You can see there 1:8 risk to reward killed.